of ILO, Excellencies, esteemed delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. It's an honor to address you today on behalf of the government of Maldives. I commend the Director General for his insightful report, Jobs, Rights and Growth, reinforcing the connection, which presents a timely and compelling reflection on the challenges and opportunities we face in our collective pursuit of social justice and decent work for all. The Maldives government remains firmly committed to protecting workers' rights, promoting social justice, and fostering an inclusive and sustainable labour market. In recent years, we have taken concrete steps to align our national policies with the ILO's vision, reaffirming that economic growth must be inseparable from the protection of labour rights and creation of decent jobs. We are proud to share that we have ratified legislation on industrial relations and occupational safety and health during the first years of this administration of Dr. Mohamed Muiz. These ratifications mark our determination to create a working environment where every individual can thrive in dignity, safety and fairness. We believe that the well-being of our workforce is fundamental to the prosperity of our nation. In line with the spirit of democratic participation emphasized in the Director General's report, we have formally joined the ILO's Global Coalition for Social Justice and approved the ratification of the 1986 constitutional amendments to the ILO. This is a testament to our belief in multilateralism and shared responsibility in shaping a just global labour order. Furthermore, our government has proactively engaged in inclusive and constructive dialogue with both employers and workers. Through policy consultations, collective agreements and partnership building initiatives, we are working to ensure that the voices of all stakeholders are heard and that the outcomes of our labour policies are equitable and sustainable. A critical step in our reform efforts have been the implementation of agreements for individuals receiving state-sponsored scholarships and financial assistance for technical and vocational training. These agreements ensure a commitment to serve the nation, strengthening institutional capacity while securing a sustainable return on investment. It is a model that supports both our immediate development needs and our long-term vision for decent work. We are aware, as the Director General rightly highlights, that the weakening link between growth and rights erodes trust and destabilizes societies. In the Maldives, we are committed to reversing that trend by investing in people, in institutions, and in the social contract that binds us together. I take this moment to extend our deepest gratitude to the ILO for its steadfast leadership in promoting social justice and decent work across the globe. I also thank our partners and stakeholders, local and international, for their continued collaboration and commitment to shared goals. Together, we strive for a future where every worker is valued, respected and empowered to live a life of dignity and purpose. Let us move forward, united by a common vision and resolute in our determination to deliver the promise of decent work for all. I thank you, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.